Today we're finally getting to this, to strip it. Except I gotta take the front bumper off, and we're gonna try to take the entire front clip off instead of piecing it little by little. Hopefully it goes faster. And he's with me for once during the week. Your first Friday off in what, 2 months?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's kind of nice to have him back.
Get some stuff done.
Yeah, and I was gonna come out here by myself, but since he's out here, it's like, well, tackle this, and then look around some other stuff, and then check out something else. Because once we get the front clip off, we gotta lower it, and then we gotta get the back chrome pieces off, because that'll be for whatever other Fairlane that I get turned into a Fairlane Starliner. Bumper's not savable, but did you want to save the turn signals, or?
He only has one.
Oh, one, okay. Well, we also need to look inside too, see if the light bezels are there. We'll have to do that once we get going. Still trying to bait on either get this 292 Y block or not. It's not locked up, but if I do get it, I'll probably stroke it. That's what I'm thinking. Alright.
There's a two-door out there.
Yeah, if this was a two-door. But sadly it is not. These are very common. So yeah, again, lower it. Might save the back bumper because it needs to be bent down right there in the middle. A few odds and ends, I'm not sure just yet. Of course, tail lights, and again, those chrome pieces for when I get that 60 Fairlane turned into a Starliner, to a custom Fordstein. So I guess that's pretty much about it. I don't know if that's a spare or not. We'll find out. But alrighty, I suppose see on what goes on. Well, time for work then, I suppose. Well, so far so good. Everything's rusted. But it's a good thing he has a saw. The grill only has one bad spot in it on top and bottom, but that's pretty simple to fix. Rock guard, looks like it's just this spot right here that needs, yeah, get a little anvil. Yeah, a little anvil and pop it out, because that's a little groove right there for the bumper brackets on each side. And I thought this would be like the similar to the other Galaxies, but no, it's got a singular one right there. I thought there'd be like one on each side of the radiator support, but no, it's just single right in the middle. I think this might be like the 60 Fairlane, where there might be a bolt someplace in here.
I've loosened up everything else and still won't come off.
Yeah, and that fender, so it feels like it's being held right there. So I'll have to yank this dashboard back. And there's a lot of pencils in that glove box. I'll have to open it up, see if there's any booklets that can go, because all those booklets in 61 were universal for every car of Ford. So, but trying to debate on either saving this 292 or not. It's not locked up or anything, but car's been sitting since 69, and it could be rebuilt. It's complete. Really am thinking about it. So yeah, all in all, I mean, it's coming apart just fine. Yeah, had to raise it up because of no front. Oh, what's that?
So
yeah, so far. I mean,
but his front fenders, front clips, and everything. Starliner.
Yeah, for Drama Queen. Yeah, just small little tidbits here and there. Just pound it out lightly and make sure stuff's down there, and then copy the pattern and drill out the holes. Of course, take out the rivets and get the proper holes, put the paper up right there, and drill in the holes for the Starliner emblem on both sides. And then I don't know if this is original fender or not, because that side has a chrome piece on top and this one doesn't. Of course, can drill a hole, no big deal, but yeah. Yeah, find out once we get it off, because fenders, wheel wells, pretty much everything in the front except for underneath, because you're going to put a disc brake system on it.
Probably wheel wood.
Yeah. Well, just better get back to work here. I think we're a little over the halfway mark for the front clip, because I'm doing stuff, he's doing stuff. So, and that front bumper there, it's not savable. It's trash. I need to take that one turn signal emblem off. There's already one gone. I don't know why emblem, the turn signal bell housing. It can be. Looks like it's pretty easy right there. Well, driver's side fender is off, including wheel well. Wasn't too bad. Of course, it's held in onto the cab right there. Other stuff. Almost done, kinda. Because then we got the back chrome pieces and the taillights to go after.
Found a nut that don't like me.
Oh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this down to help out. Well then, it's just about there.
Yeah, one more piece.
Yeah, looks like factory Commonwealth maybe. Yeah, that's factory there. And then we'll have to get this lowered down and then go in the back and get those chrome pieces there. And that's pretty much it. Oh. Well, that's fiber for you. Well, I'm gonna put this down now and get back to work and continue eating the dust. Well, that pretty much does it. We're actually gonna leave the chrome pieces in the tail lights for somebody else, because we found some stuff online, it's brand new, and even reproduction.
Got to that one that's on the 61.
Yeah, because I could always make some custom ones for whenever I get the Fairlane for a Fairlane Starliner. But that's pretty much it. Covered up the 292Y block, which I'm actually not going to save, to be honest. I'll leave it for somebody else. Someone else was looking at this a couple weeks ago, and it's like, well, I don't have anything to put it in, and it'd just be crated up for who knows how long, so just go to somebody else. No big deal. So that's pretty much everything, in honesty. So
now we gotta go hunt down a door for a 56.
Yep. It's up there. I know that.
Well, I want to pay for it first.
Yeah. But of course, wind sound warning. And if he's open tomorrow, we're gonna pick up the Gran Torino, which is like a 72, 73. I'm not sure on the year yet. So that's pretty much just about it. So we got a few more things to look at down here. Because we gotta go down there and look at a fender for the Gran Torino. So alrighty, anything else you want to add, my dear lovely brother?
Oh, I might want to stop looking at that Buick.
Yes,
Just
we're gonna make a
out
video
here
on that. So alrighty. So alright, so that's pretty much everything. Please consider about subscribing, like, share, and comment. And parts car, the last parts car for Drama Queen's done and over with, isn't it?
Yes, I found a good front clip.
Yes, extremely good front clip.
I did not see any rusted ones.
Nope, just some fender bending, really.
Small ones.
Yeah, there's small, minute. Yep.
That's
You lucked
easy.
out. So, alrighty. So we'll catch you all another time, and there'll be some videos uploaded here and there. We don't have much left to grab in the salvage yard, and once I'm done with yard work, then I should be able to work on vehicles and everything, and get Cherry Bomb Victoria torn apart. So, alrighty, so catch you later. Have a good one. Take care and stay safe. Thanks again.